Welcome to my apartment in Siem Reap, Cambodia. It's got a kitchen and living room space combined, separate bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, and I've got a balcony. But the best part is the price. Every single month I only pay Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently in Siem Reap, Cambodia. I'm in the Tapo Road area and today we're going to take a look at my apartment. I've lived here for about 8 months altogether. Every single time I move to a new apartment in Cambodia, every single time there's always stairs to contend with. And this is my apartment in Siem Reap, Cambodia. When I moved in, it was fully furnished and there was everything that I could need. It's got a kitchen and living room combined. There's a separate bedroom and bathroom, plus I've got a balcony. In the kitchen area, there's a microwave, there's a wash machine, and there's a cooker, and I've got a fridge freezer. This is my balcony area and it gives you a really amazing view of Siem Reap. You're not too high up, but there's lots of buildings and you can see the sunrise and the sunset from this vantage point. And this is my bedroom area. I've got a humongous double bed, lots and lots of storage space. I've got a television. How much do you think I pay per month for this apartment in Siem Reap, Cambodia? You would think that such a big space would require a large price tag. Maybe $250, maybe $300. I actually pay $200 per month. That's it. $200 for this huge, beautiful, fully furnished apartment in Siem Reap, Cambodia. That's the end of my apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And one more thing. This is my book. It's called Burning Brain Cells in Cambodia. I've actually lived in Cambodia for over 10 years. From 2012 to 2019, I lived in Phnom Penh. I was a bartender. I worked in film production for 4 years. I worked on big television shows like Naked and Afraid and River Monsters. I also worked in a few feature films in Cambodia. And I owned a hostel in Phnom Penh for 1 year, which was one of the craziest experiences of my life. This book, Burning Brain Cells in Cambodia, it's all about my life living and working in Cambodia. It's available to buy on Amazon in paperback format, or you can buy it as a digital book. Go and check it out. I'll put the link in the description and I'll pin it in a comment. Until next time.